Hey Bears! My name is Haley and I am your academic review coordinator, going to lead you through the basics of policy for academic probation as well as what you can expect this semester. Now for this academic success workshop, it is only required for students that are on their first semester of probation. And so if you received an automatic invitation to this course, I added you and all you needed to do was press accept when you logged into Canvas. That means it is a requirement for you because you are in your first semester of probation. Now students who are continuing probation are certainly encouraged to complete this workshop and think about their goals, find the resources, but you don't have to complete it. So make sure you're checking your bear mail and kind of reading to know what requirements you have. But in this academic success workshop, I want to identify the success support you have available. I want you to be able to identify those important dates and deadlines in the probation policy, be able to describe your academic standing. So what is academic probation if somebody asks? And I want you to be able to describe your bright spots and growth areas, which bright spots are things that worked for you, helped you be successful, you want to keep doing, where growth areas are things that you can revise, change, adjust to turn into a bright spot and help you be successful in the future. This academic success workshop is made up of a policy overview, which you can watch the video or you can read about the policy, whatever suits you. Then you're going to explore academic success strategies. Now these strategies in the academic success page has tons of information on it. None of it is required, though certainly recommended. You know how to help yourself. So look through all of the content, find what's going to resonate with you, be inspired by the strategies, adapt them to fit your life, and then move on to our reflection activity, which is the requirement if this is your first semester on academic probation. Now, in that academic success reflection, you're going to have a chance to answer some policy questions just to make sure you have your knowledge check on point, as well as provide and kind of reflect on what your bright spots and growth areas are, and provide a little feedback on this workshop. If you have any questions or issues as you go through our academic success workshop, do reach out. Again, you can email probation@unco.edu. Most likely, I will be the one responding. And bookmark our academic probation hub and website. It is unco.edu/advising/probation support. Best vibes to you this semester, Bear. You got this, and reach out to your academic probation advisor early so you can get that target GPA and reach your end game.
We're in the end game now.